I understand. Learn how to say, I understand in Hindi. You are brave. You can do this. Chalo, let's go learn Hindi.
नमस्कार। हरा धनिया
नमस्कार।
बारीक कटा हुआ 1 2 3 स्पून आप सबको बहुत
Hi, everyone. Welcome to day 18 of the 30-day Hindi challenge. Your vocabulary words for today are English, Angrezi, Angrezi, Angrezi. English, as in the English language. Angrezi. Our second vocabulary word means to understand. It is samajhna, samajhna, samajhna. And again, you'll note that this is a verb, the verb to understand, samajhna. So normally before using this verb, we would drop the na ending and be left with our root, which is samaj, samaj. Our grammar key for today is मैं अंग्रेजी समझता हूँ. मैं अंग्रेजी समझता हूँ. I understand English. Now that's if I am speaking as a man. If you are a woman, you would say मैं अंग्रेजी समझती हूँ. मैं अंग्रेजी समझती हूँ. I understand English. Again, this is the same tense ending that we've been using pretty much throughout this course. So the masculine singular ending in the present tense is ta, and the feminine ending is ti. So nothing new there. And we're going to move on to our second grammar key, which is क्या आप अंग्रेजी समझते हैं? क्या आप अंग्रेजी समझते हैं? We're asking now this question of a man. Do you understand English? क्या आप अंग्रेजी समझते हैं? And if we were to ask the same question to a female, we would say क्या आप अंग्रेजी समझती हैं? क्या आप अंग्रेजी समझती हैं? Again, noting that kya comes before the pronoun आप, which means you. So kya आप, do you, right? We're not asking what, we're asking do you understand English? All right, now let's spend a minute or two drilling this. क्या आप हिंदी समझते हैं? क्या आप हिंदी समझते हैं? We're asking a man, do you understand Hindi? To which he could reply, हाँ, मैं हिंदी समझता हूँ. हाँ, मैं हिंदी समझता हूँ. Yes, I understand Hindi. क्या आप हिंदी और अंग्रेजी समझती हैं? क्या आप हिंदी और अंग्रेजी समझती हैं? Now again, we're using our word for and, which is or. You'll remember that from maybe a previous lesson. So, क्या आप हिंदी और अंग्रेजी समझती है? Do you understand Hindi and English? And this question is being asked of a woman, to which she could respond, हाँ, मैं हिंदी और अंग्रेजी समझती हूँ. हाँ, मैं हिंदी और अंग्रेजी समझती हूँ. Yes, I understand Hindi and English. क्या आप अंग्रेजी समझते हैं? क्या आप अंग्रेजी समझते हैं? Do you understand English? Now we're asking this question of a man, to which he could respond, नहीं, मैं अंग्रेजी नहीं समझता हूँ. नहीं, मैं अंग्रेजी नहीं समझता हूँ. No, I do not understand English. All right, thanks for joining us for another 30-day Hindi challenge. You guys are doing great. We're getting closer and closer to the end, and I hope you're really having a great time learning Hindi. I hope you're having an awesome time. All right, we will see you back here tomorrow. Bye.